Welcome to Best Choice. The best weed eater head is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a pristine lawn, but when the head wears out, it's time for a replacement. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Homelite weed eater head replacement, exploring its features, ease of installation, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. We'll cover everything you need to know to keep your yard looking its best. Number 5. Weed Warrior Push and Load 3-Blade Trimmer Head. Tired of trimmer lines that just don't cut it? This head is designed to handle heavy weeds and light brush. It comes with durable serrated nylon blades to get the job done. Installing this head is a breeze. Simply remove your old head and thread this one on using the included hardware. The blades are also easy to change. This product fits almost all gas and cordless trimmers. Whether you have an Echo, Steel, or any other popular brand, it's likely compatible. This is built to meet the high standards of professional landscapers. You can rely on it for its durability and performance in demanding conditions. Weed Warrior products are built for extreme toughness. Years of research and development have gone into making this a top-quality accessory for your trimmer. What we like. This push and load head is designed for those tough jobs, easily tackling heavy weeds and light brush. The universal fit ensures compatibility with most trimmers, making it a convenient choice. If you're a professional landscaper or someone with a large yard and a lot of weeds, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. Fits and works as advertised. Much easier than constantly changing the strings. After ordering a couple other options which did not work, couldn't get them to fit, I hit a home run with this one. It was easy to install on my battery DeWalt weed trimmer, and it worked like a charm. I have a 2-acre pond, and I just went around it trimming pretty thick weeds and small saplings that would have taken out my string trimmer head. I hit branches and cypress knees, and other than making a loud noise, no damage at all. Definitely recommend. Bought it for my 20V DeWalt trimmer, the older non-folding one. Once you find the proper nut in the kit for it, you're pretty much done. It installs in seconds, no tools needed. The initial performance is excellent, it still has lots of power for trimming with the new head. The overall head size is smaller and the blades appear shorter, but because of that it has more cutting force than the original head did. Cuts better now than it ever did before. Number 4. Guithia 3133180001 Arborless Trimmer Head Replacement. This is a genuine, OEM Ryobi replacement part. It's designed to restore your trimmer's performance. Make sure to consult your owner's manual for proper installation. This trimmer head assembly replaces parts also used on Rigid, Troy BLT, Echo, PowerStroke, Workforce, and Blackmax trimmers. It's a versatile solution for various models. Please note that this product is sold internationally. It may have different terms and may differ from local products. This includes fit, age ratings, and the language of the product, labeling, or instructions. The product is new and comes in bulk packaging. This ensures that it is protected during shipping and handling. For proper installation, consult your owner's manual. It provides the correct part number identification and step-by-step instructions. Following the manual ensures the best results. What we like. This is a genuine OEM replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's designed to meet the original manufacturer's specifications. If you need a direct replacement and want to maintain the original performance of your trimmer, this is the best choice. What people say. Fits and works perfectly. It was very easy to put together and start using right away. The new head screwed on perfectly. It arrived without any line, so I pulled out what was left on the old spool just to test the twist action to draw in the line, and it worked far better than the original. Number 3. Aero-Flex Universal Trimmer Head. Tired of the hassle of trimmer spools? This is the solution. It's fast and easy to change, saving you valuable time. Forget about rewinding and springs. With this product, reloading is a breeze. Simply snap the blades in and get back to work. These flexible blades are designed for safety and long-lasting performance. They maintain their integrity while cutting through various types of vegetation. The patented aerodynamic blades allow you to work efficiently. You can run your trimmer at half speed and still finish the job quickly. The neon-colored blades provide clear visibility of your cutting area. This allows you to have more control over where you trim. Proudly produced in the USA, this trimmer head is compatible with most gas and many battery-powered trimmers. Check the store for compatibility. Get more value with the included bonus pack of 16 lines. This product is designed to make your trimming tasks easier and more efficient. What we like. This trimmer head features flexible blades that are easy to replace, saving you time and frustration. The neon-colored blades provide increased cutting control, allowing you to see exactly where you're trimming. If you value efficiency and precision in your yard work, you should consider this. What people say. Saved a lot of time doing yard trim work. Works as described. Much better than using a string feeder. I love this product, simple, easy and very effective. Number 2. 1-2 Trim Blade and Line Gas Trimmer Head Replacement. Tired of wasting time on trimmer lines? This replacement head allows you to switch from lines to blades in just seconds. It's a quick and easy upgrade for your trimmer. The kit includes everything you need for a hassle-free installation. It's designed to fit a wide range of gas trimmers, making it a versatile choice. This kit comes with 6 high-quality pre-cut trimmer lines. They are ready to use and provide excellent cutting performance. You'll be able to tackle your yard work with ease. Also included are 3 high-quality brush cutter blades. These blades are perfect for tougher weeds and overgrown areas. They will help you get the job done efficiently. With this replacement head, you can easily switch between trimmer lines and blades. It's a simple upgrade that will save you time and effort. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This head offers the flexibility to switch between lines and blades in seconds. The universal installation kit makes it easy to fit on your trimmer. If you want versatility and the ability to tackle different types of vegetation with ease, this is a great option. What people say. The product is a direct replacement and works perfectly. Easy to install. The head is well designed and functions as expected. Number 1. ANLEOLIFE Weed Eater String for Greenworks Trimmers. This trimmer line makes mowing easier. It slices through grass, light brush, and weeds with ease. You'll find your yard work much more relaxed with it. This product is compatible with Greenworks 24V and 40V single-line string trimmers. It's designed to be a direct replacement for models 29092 and 29252, and a cap cover model 341154686. Made with premium raw materials imported from BASF Germany, this line offers superior flexibility. Expect top-notch performance, efficiency, and long-lasting durability from this product. The automatic winding and precise spool size make it simple to replace the old cartridges. It's designed for easy removal and replacement, making it user-friendly, even for beginners. The package includes 6 trimmer line spools and 1 cap cover. It's a great value for your money, providing everything you need to keep your trimmer running smoothly. What we like. This product features premium trimmer line that slices through grass and weeds with ease. The automatic winding and precise spool size make it easy to replace. If you have a Greenworks trimmer and need a reliable and cost-effective solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It fit the Badger perfectly and very easy to drop the new spool in and lock it in place with the cover. This is inexpensive and very user-friendly. They are a perfect fit, as I could tell from the pictures. Very easy to install and a great value for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.